Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has been living in the public eye for years, and every major step of her life continues to fascinate viewers around the globe. After years of intense struggle with her weight, ongoing health battles, and deeply emotional personal challenges, Tammy has transformed not only physically but emotionally as well, and now fans are seeing a completely new side of her. With a love story that has been followed by loyal supporters since its earliest days, Tammy and her fiancé Andrea Dalton have sparked major conversations once again, this time over Tammy's latest revelation about her dream wedding. What has the internet buzzing most is the unexpected twist Tammy unveiled. Her artificial intelligence-inspired wedding vision includes a sports theme that no one saw coming. Fans who know Tammy as someone who has always leaned toward unconventional choices immediately began dissecting this imaginative idea, wondering what exactly the bride-to-be has in mind for her big day. Tammy has never been shy about expressing herself, and with her new life journey of better health and new confidence, her wedding is shaping up to be nothing like what fans would have guessed. In her latest candid reveal, Tammy explained that she had been experimenting with AI wedding vision boards, allowing technology to generate concepts and designs for her dream ceremony. While some brides turned to Pinterest or traditional magazines for inspiration, Tammy took a much more modern approach by feeding her preferences into an AI wedding planner tool. What emerged from this experiment was nothing short of extraordinary, an elaborate sports-inspired wedding theme that seemed to perfectly blend Tammy's quirky sense of humor, her fiancé's interests, and a dash of over-the-top creativity. What makes this revelation even more surprising is that Tammy has not typically been associated with sports culture. Throughout the series, her focus has been primarily on family, her health journey, and her relationships, but in her AI-generated vision, sports became a dominant motif. According to Tammy, the concept included bold decorations styled after classic arenas, tables named after teams, and even a playful suggestion of walking down the aisle to the sound of a marching band. While some fans were shocked, many others loved how unique and bold the idea was. The sports theme is also believed to be a nod to her fiancé Andrea, who has been described by insiders as someone who enjoys games and community events. By blending that interest into her wedding, Tammy is not only embracing creativity but also making her fiancé's personality shine through in the tales. As news of Tammy's AI wedding vision spread online, social media exploded with reactions. Some fans flooded comment sections with jokes and memes about Tammy showing up in a referee outfit or cutting the cake with a baseball bat. Others were genuinely touched by the thoughtfulness behind including a sports angle, noting that Tammy has always been a family-oriented person who values shared passions and moments of fun. What stood out most was the sheer volume of people praising Tammy for embracing a non-traditional wedding concept that truly reflected her personality rather than adhering to societal expectations of what a perfect wedding should look like. One particularly fascinating element of Tammy's AI-generated theme was the inclusion of color schemes inspired by iconic sports teams. Images shared online by fans who tried replicating Tammy's experiment showed mock-ups of wedding parties dressed in bold jersey-inspired colors, cake designs that resemble championship trophies, and reception spaces decorated like basketball courts. While it remains unclear how much of this Tammy actually intends to use in her real ceremony, it highlights how AI technology is changing the way people plan major life events. With one click, brides can see endless variations of themes, aesthetics, and designs that may never have crossed their mind. As before, for Tammy, this meant discovering a playful and energetic idea that resonated with her in unexpected ways. The wedding buzz also ties into Tammy's larger journey of self-discovery. Over the past 2 years, Tammy has lost an extraordinary amount of weight, regaining her health and confidence in ways fans never thought possible. She has spoken openly about feeling like a completely new person and wanting her upcoming wedding to reflect not just her love story but her transformation as a whole. The sports theme, though initially surprising, makes sense in this context. Sports are often associated with triumph, resilience, and victory, qualities Tammy herself has embodied through her hard-fought battles against obesity and health setbacks. In many ways, this AI wedding vision is symbolic of her own story, a game of endurance that she has finally come out winning. Andrea Dalton, Tammy's fiancé, has reportedly been supportive and amused by the AI wedding vision. Sources close to the couple claim that Andrea loved the playful concept and encouraged Tammy to lean into it if it made her happy. The couple's relationship has often been described as light-hearted, filled with jokes and laughter, so incorporating something unconventional like a sports theme only adds to their charm. Tammy herself hinted in a recent post that while the AI-generated vision may not dictate every detail of their actual wedding, she has been seriously considering taking inspiration from it. Even if not every element makes the cut, fans can expect Tammy's real-life wedding to include surprises and personal touches that will set it apart from typical reality TV weddings. Wedding experts have also weighed in on the trend of AI wedding planning, noting how it democratizes creativity for they who may not know where to begin. Tammy's experience demonstrates how AI can spark inspiration that leads to authentic choices. The sports theme may seem outlandish to some, but it resonates with Tammy because it represents joy, energy, and togetherness. This is why fans believe that no matter what form the final ceremony takes, Tammy's wedding will be a heartfelt reflection of her true self and her bond with Andrea. The excitement around Tammy's AI wedding vision has also fueled speculation about whether TLC cameras will capture the big day. 1000 LB Sisters has never shied away from documenting the Slayton family's most personal milestones, from surgeries to birthdays to heartbreaks. A wedding, especially one as imaginative as Tammy's, would be must-see television for fans who have followed her journey since season 1. With TLC already teasing more content around Tammy and Amy's evolving lives, it is highly likely that viewers will get to see this wedding unfold on screen. Fans are already picturing how the sports-inspired elements might play out on television, predicting that the moment could become one of the more iconic reality TV weddings in recent history. As the wedding buzz builds, Tammy Slayton remains focused on continuing her transformation and building her future with Andrea. For her, this wedding represents far more than a party. It is a celebration of survival, love, and creativity. The AI-generated sports theme may have caught everyone off guard, but it perfectly encapsulates Tammy's spirit, surprising, resilient, and unapologetically herself. Fans will be watching closely in the coming months as Tammy finalizes her wedding plans, eager to see just how much of her AI vision guess its way into reality. Whether she walks down an aisle lined with team banners or simply incorporates a playful nod to sports into her reception, one thing is clear: Tammy Slayton's wedding will be unlike anything reality TV has seen before. In the end, Tammy's AI wedding vision has proven to be more than just a quirky experiment. It is a reminder that weddings are personal expressions, and with the rise of new technology, brides can discover inspirations that reflect their unique stories. For Tammy, that means embracing a sports theme that symbolizes her journey of strength and perseverance while also bringing joy to those she loves most. And for fans, it means one more reason to celebrate alongside her, cheering on the reality star who continues to redefine herself in ways that are bold, inspiring, and completely unexpected. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.